Hello there, Merry Christmas and welcome to a special edition of the Midnight Hour Call. Today is Tuesday, December 25th, 2012, also known as Christmas. I hope you in the US are having a spectacular Christmas. I hope you got exactly what you want for Christmas. But we know who's the real reason for the season, and that is Jesus Christ. Welcome to the Midnight Hour Call. This is a special Christmas edition of the Midnight Hour Call. Today, tornado outbreak in parts of the Deep South. They as far as I know, they are about to issue tornado watches, possibly PDS tornado watches, which is a particularly dangerous situation. Watches as things are starting to unravel. Sadly, we've already have reports of tornadoes causing significant damage in Houston County, Texas. Not Houston, Texas, the city, but Houston County in Texas. Unfortunately, we do have a report of a death, not caused by the tornado, but by winds from the cold front in Texas, and it's only gonna get worse. So pray for the people that are in Louisiana, Texas, and Alabama. The motto is just all over the place for this month. It's absolutely going to be horrible. It looks like. Hopefully it'll bust. Hopefully nothing will happen. Pray for the best. Prepare for the worst with this storm. Meanwhile, there's a blizzard in Oklahoma. And Dallas might see some snow today. Blizzard warnings up and down the Midwest. In places that you normally wouldn't see blizzard warnings, such as Little Rock, Arkansas. Their forecast happens. Issued the first blizzard warning that they've ever had, and they've been around for 40 years. That forecast office. Also in Kentucky, they issued Air Force blizzard warnings ever. So you're seeing some rocky weather in places you wouldn't really expect to see it. Also, the possibly big news today, according to NBC News, let me get up the article there. According to NBC News, aside, according to their website, NBC News, according to the activists there, several people died after Assad's forces used poisonous gases. Now, we can't confirm it because there's a lockdown on the media there in Syria. This is NBC News. Several Syrians have died after inhaling poisonous gas by government forces in rebel-held district of Homs. Local eyewitnesses and activists claimed Monday. Civilians were admitted to hospital with serious breathing problems after Sunday's attack, according to doctors and groups who posted what they said was video of the aftermath on YouTube. The gas is thought to have been a concentrated irritant, but not one of the deadly chemical weapons stockpiled by the regime of Syria President Bashar Assad. Claims by either side in Syria's bitter civil war are almost impossible to independently verify because, like I said, journalists are really allowed access to country. This was posted by NBC News earlier today. So, breaking news on that one. Apparently they may be starting to use poisonous gases. Now, that's the article said. This isn't deadly weapons that were apparently stockpiled by Bashar Assad, but it is troubling to see that news. Is the civil war ramping up? as Isaiah 17 says that the Masters will be a woman teeth. Till we see it coming soon, I mean, it's already halfway there. I mean, you look at the pictures in the Masters, it's not just safe at all. Could we be seeing that prophecy fulfilled? Now, some say it was partly fulfilled. That that's not all the way fulfilled. When Isaiah said, when the Lord said that it's going to be ruined, it's going to be utterly destroyed. It's not going to be inhabited again. It's going to be tore up to the floor, basically. It's going to be destroyed so bad that no one but the animals will live there. It's going to be absolutely destroyed. That's what Isaiah 17 says. Are we reaching that point? This is not good news. Pray for the people in Syria. Pray for the refugees there. Pray for the Tsar Assad that he finds the Lord. Pray for the rebels. Pray for they need some serious prayer right now. And they need some serious prayer. Pray for Israel. Pray for the peace of Jerusalem. Psalms 122 verse 6. Pray for Benjamin Netanyahu. Pray for Hamas. Pray for Fatah. Pray for Iran. They need some serious prayer. Pray for the Christians there. Syria. They're not. Pray for them. That's what this means. Serious prayer. We need a revival. We need to just combine into one prayer. I mean, we need to set apart a day for like serious prayer for everyone on this earth. And that is pretty much it. That's all I have for today. I will be posting the latest updates on Facebook and Twitter, and it'll be here. It'll stop there. So God bless you. Have a great Christmas. Have a great New Year's, and God bless you.